So I just got offered a $4,500 per month remote job, and I'm going to show you exactly how I used AI to do in 2 days what used to take people 2 months. No fluff, no BS. Just the actual tools and steps I used. Hey, it's your friend from Everyday AI. A lot of you have been asking me, these AI tools are cool, but how do I actually use them to make real money? Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain. This is my actual job search from this week. I'm going to walk you through the exact AI tools I used, the process, and the results I got. Here's the thing. Traditional job hunting is broken. You spend hours customizing resumes, writing cover letters, researching companies, and you're lucky if you even get a rejection email. I wanted to test if AI could actually fix this. So Monday morning, I gave myself 48 hours to land at least 3 solid job interviews using only free AI tools. First tool, ChatGPT, but not the way most people use it. Watch this. I opened ChatGPT and asked it to be my career advisor. I told it my skills, social media, basic video editing, research, and asked, what are 10 remote job positions I'm qualified for that pay $3,000 plus per month and are actually hiring right now in February 2026? ChatGPT gave me this amazing list. Virtual assistant, content coordinator, social media manager, real positions I actually qualified for. But here's the secret. I asked it a follow-up question. Rank these by which have the least competition right now. Game changer. Second tool, Canva AI. Now I know what you're thinking. Canva? For a resume? Yes, because I'm not applying to boring corporate jobs. I'm applying to startups and remote companies who actually value personality and creativity. I picked a modern, colorful template from Canva. But here's the secret sauce. I went back to ChatGPT, pasted in the exact job description I wanted to apply for, and asked it, rewrite my work experience to match this job description, but keep it truthful and natural. Boom! In 30 seconds, it rewrote all my bullet points using their exact keywords. Now, most people completely skip cover letters because they're annoying to write. Huge mistake. Especially for remote jobs where they want to know you're self-motivated. But guess what? I didn't write mine either. I used a free AI tool called Rezi, R-E-Z-I. You get 2 free applications per day. I uploaded my resume, pasted the job description, clicked generate, and boom. A perfectly written cover letter that actually sounds human. But here's my secret weapon. I always add one personalized sentence at the end. Something like, I saw your recent post about your company's new AI product launch, and it resonated with me because I love helping brands tell their story. That personal touch? That's what AI can't do, and that's what gets you noticed. Here's where most people completely drop the ball. They apply to 15 or 20 jobs and then forget who they even applied to. Don't be that person. I use Notion AI, the free version, to create a simple job tracker. Every single job I applied to, I added it to my Notion board. I'd paste in the job link, and Notion AI automatically pulled out the company name, position title, salary range, and even set a reminder for me to follow up in 3 days. I applied to 15 positions in those 48 hours using this exact system. Okay, so here's what actually happened. By Wednesday evening, remember, I started Monday morning, I had 4 companies respond to me. 3 of them wanted to schedule interviews, and 1 company sent me a direct offer for a paid trial project at $500. Not bad for 2 days of work, right? The one I accepted? social media coordinator position for a growing SaaS company. $4,500 per month, fully remote, flexible hours. And you know why they chose me? In the interview, they said my resume had exactly what they were looking for. Thanks, ChatGPT. Now look, I'm not saying everyone's gonna get these exact same results. Your skills are different, your market is different, timing matters. But what I am saying is this. The old way of spending weeks or months job hunting is dead. AI isn't replacing you, but someone using AI might replace you if you don't adapt. If you want the exact ChatGPT prompts I used for this whole process, I've put them all in the description below. Just copy, paste, and adjust for your situation. And hey, if you actually try this system, come back and let me know your results in the comments. Did you get interviews? Did you land a job? I genuinely want to know. I read every comment. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button, because next week I'm dropping something big. How I used AI to negotiate my salary 30% higher than their initial offer. You're not gonna want to miss that. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Now go get that job.